Welcome to Lincoln Tech East Point, a 56,000 square foot campus where industry-leading education and job placement assistance meet for your success. At East Point, you can become an automotive service technician. Here, you'll learn on the latest equipment from Matco Tools and Hunter Engineering on real vehicles loaded into our 15 fully stocked Auto Bay classrooms. You'll also learn how to troubleshoot the latest automotive onboard computers while getting hands-on experience as you repair and maintain the vehicle's electrical systems, steering, suspensions, emission controls, and so much more. And after graduation, you can leverage our relationships with dealerships throughout Atlanta that believe in hiring Lincoln Tech grads. East Point also features electrical and electronic systems training that, just like our automotive department, includes hands-on experiences with real-world tools, wiring, and components. You'll learn to build, install, and repair the latest security and alarm systems, home theater equipment, and more. And when you graduate, you can get to work or apply for advanced training paid for by Lincoln Tech partners that hire new technicians. Or maybe a career in HVAC is the right fit for you. At East Point, you'll train on a variety of heating and cooling systems while learning to perform energy audits that lead to greener, more affordable HVAC solutions. And with rising temperatures throughout the Southeast, Atlanta is a good place to find HVAC jobs upon graduation. If it's welding that sparks your curiosity, East Point has training for that career path too. Before you pick up a torch, you'll start in our virtual welding booths, building your skills and your confidence in real-world simulations. With these simulations under your belt, you'll pick up your Miller electric torch and strap on your welding helmet to work in one of our 40 fully stocked welding booths. There, you'll learn a wide variety of techniques to prepare you for the welding field upon graduation. Whatever your dream career path might be, Lincoln Tech is fully committed to your success. Learn more by scanning the QR code below or visiting our website. We can't wait to meet you and show you how Lincoln Tech is ready to support you every step of the way.